How can we create a mind map using XMIND AI with artificial intelligence? Well, we have the option to create a map. Here, they highlight in purple the AI creation option. Basically, we have several choices. Create a map using artificial intelligence. This means converting existing files or content into a mind map. We can brainstorm to generate creative ideas and explore new possibilities. Then there's the mind map option, starting with a blank canvas to organize your thoughts. So let's click on Create with Artificial Intelligence. As you see, we can input our own text up to 360 characters. Here we briefly define the topic and generation requirements. As you can see, there are various mind map structure types. I'm not sure if we can modify them later. That would be ideal. It also detects the language. We can use it on websites or uploaded documents too. The maximum file size is 50 MB. I've seen other tools like Mapify, which only allow 10 MB. It's true that it's somewhat limited. And then there's YouTube. I'll paste this link to Joe Rogan's interview with Mark Zuckerberg. We'll click generate. I'm not sure what generate as Todos means. It's not far off. So let's hit generate. It'll start analyzing the content we've sent. Basically, it'll analyze the video transcript. I should mention this video is 3 hours long. Okay, it's 3 hours long. I want to see how it creates the mind map. Mapify's map was limited for 3 hours of content. I'm not sure if I've run out of credits or if it just stopped working. It's frustrating. As you can see, it's starting to create the map. Let's wait for it to finish. Well, it seems to have finished earlier than expected. I'm aware I'm uploading a 3-hour video and being very demanding, but it only reached the 42-minute mark. That's not much, not even half the video. Let's see what it does for us. It outlines the intro, mentioning the topics to be discussed. Trust, info gaps, moderation, social media challenges, health, and more. I think it does a good job. Okay, let's see. I haven't seen the podcast, but seeing how this video was made with AI tools and such, they all do it pretty similarly. I won't lie, we can select content and play with it, connecting it like we do with the black ones. We can do some tricks, add new content and make tables bigger. We can do that if we want. We can add notes, we can create our own mind map, but that's for each person to try and learn. And here we could share it. We could present our idea. Let's see how. Yeah, sure. Let's see. Introduction moderation. Wow, this is a free presentation they just gave me. I wasn't expecting this. The presentation's basic, but for studying, it must be great. Let's hit exit. There's also a section for colors and symbols. Not much else. You can change the background color if needed. You can change the font too, but that's it. Okay, this is the tool. This is how it works. And that's it. Hope you liked it. If we're in XMind, how can we create more pages? Our current plan allows up to 3 pages, which we can do. We can have 3 pages or maps in one file, which is great for related topics. We can also create a new map, sheet, search, favorite, or rename. We can import and export in PNG, JPG, and PDF formats. I'm not sure about export limits, but I'll try PNG. It shows the current map, 100% options, transparent background. We need to pay to remove the XMind watermark. Let's see how the export looks just to show you. There it is. The text isn't clear because I set a colorless background, so that's how we can use this tool.